could blame it on the physical.
What is up, y'all, and welcome back to Qui Nichelle on the channel. Y'all know we talk about fashion, beauty, and life. And y'all, I'm doing an unboxing with this new microwave that we just got. I did a grocery haul, or a little mini grocery haul. Oh, before we get into the video, make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend and tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, because y'all know how we do on the channel. Now, we just got this or whatever, so now I'm doing an unboxing. I didn't want to make the previous video too long, and I might actually give y'all the little haul and this unboxing all in one day. But yeah, that's what we're doing. Our microwave went out, so we had to get a new one, and this one is the same brand as the old one, but it's some of course it's like an upgraded version or whatever. And the previous microwave, I believe we had it over a decade. Cause truth be told, y'all, I think I had that microwave that I showed y'all in the previous video even before I met baby. So I guess I got my money's worth, because I only paid about $50 for it at the time. So this is the new one, and I hope I can handle this, because baby is outside, I think, doing something with his car. So they got the plate on top. Let me put these right here. So we're gonna see. Okay. Okay. Okay, this one looks bigger than the other one. Okay, let me see if I can turn the box, y'all. And then I would have long nails right now, but I think I can handle it. I think. Let me see. Okay. Whew. I was just gonna. Okay. I think I got it, y'all. Okay. So now I just gotta take the bag off. Yeah, I think it is bigger than the old one. And I'm gonna bring y'all close so y'all can see. I think it is bigger, and the old one was only about, I think, 900 watts. This one is just 1,000, but again, it did last for, had to be over a decade, because I really believe I bought that microwave before I met baby in real life. Okay, it's just a basic microwave, y'all. Nothing too fancy, but it is an upgrade. It looks, the inside look a tiny bit bigger, but again, it's just standard. But I do like how this looks right here. It has more features than the old one. I hope y'all can see. So it has like reheat. I never saw a microwave with buttons on the inside. But it has reheat, popcorn, potato, pizza, fish, meat, fresh veggies, and then frozen entree. And then of course your basic numbers, you know, you can press 1 through 6 to put it on that amount of minutes. It has some kind of memory button, which I don't really know. I never saw that before. Unlock, I don't know what that's for. And then of course your power level, cook time, defrost, timer, clock, you know, a pause. So it has a start, stop, and a pause. That's kind of new. For me anyway. Because that other microwave was just pretty basic, straight to the point. You know, nothing too fancy. And I like how this handle is on this one. I used to get the one, you know, it has a little button right here. But I had a microwave like that years and years and years ago, and the button got stuck. And then that's when I ended up getting the one that I just got rid of. So I don't think I ever want the little button right here. I rather have the pull door. But yeah, this one is so cute. I'm gonna get it out of this plastic. And then I'm gonna have to cut these. What is? Okay. So again, it ain't nothing too fancy, y'all. Now I got the plastic all the way off. Go ahead and plug it in. Alright. Okay, I like that it ain't too big. It ain't taking up too much space. But y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all something. I really wish that I had y'all know when they be mounted to like the top of the range or like on the cabinet. I really like microwaves like that. Our house is not built for that, so of course we got to do the countertop. But I still love that it matches everything. Y'all know the stove is stainless steel and all of that. And then it matches like the backsplash and, you know, all of that good stuff. And the counters are marble. But yeah, this is cute. Let me put the plate in there. I don't really think I need to wash this, do it, because you don't put the food directly on this plate. Oh, is it on there? Okay. Okay, so I guess it's that simple. You know, the other one had like a little circle, it could come out. And this one is made inside. So you just literally sit the plate on there. The other one I used to have to kind of position it and all that. But anyway, this is so cute. Okay, it says press and hold 0, unlock or pause or cancel. Pull the door handle. Okay, how you lock? Let's see. Press and hold 0 to unlock. But how do you lock it? Okay, optional, turn off the lock feature, press and hold unlock pad for 3 seconds. Y'all, I'm about to stick this sticker on the booklet. And truth be told, y'all, I don't even know if I'm gonna use the feature because I don't even know what the purpose of it is for. And it's raining, y'all. Oh my God. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna just stick this on the back of the booklet in case I wanna mess around with that lock and unlock. I don't even know. Y'all tell me. Oh, it was another one in here. Okay. But anyway, y'all tell me if y'all use the lock and unlock and what would be the point in locking and unlocking. Because if it's, the microwave is going, what are you unlocking and locking? I'm not understanding. Press and hold 0 to unlock during and after cooking. For what? I'm going to look that up because I don't understand the point of it. Let's set the time. 2:47. Okay, so it was that simple. We got the time set. And that's really it. I mean, what else do you do with a microwave? I just wanted to show y'all our new microwave and let y'all know what happens to the old one. But yeah, I'm gonna put these back. And type of here. But yeah, y'all, that's the new microwave. It is a little bit bigger. Because I keep the paper towels right here. Okay, y'all, so that's it. I just wanted to show y'all the new microwave because I showed it to y'all in the grocery haul and I would say in the vlog / grocery haul. So I just wanted to show y'all the new microwave. Make sure that you do like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. Y'all already know to make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend about Qui Nichelle, honey, because y'all know how we do on the channel. Now, y'all already know, honey, we are out.